Hey guys, time for an unboxing today. And this comes all the way from HDA Modelworx. Thanks Jerry for selling me this kit. Well, what I bought should be the 1400, the brand new 1400 scale Enterprise D in translucent plastic. I hope. Well, if it's a C, I won't complain, because I guess definitely want to harvest off of that kit for my other my Yamaguchi kit. But it is the Enterprise D. Okay. Here's the back of the box. Of course, they say the detachable captain's yacht, but you can only put half of it on. Oh, this is somewhat removable saucer section. And you get the humongous decal sheet. The round 2 dome and stand. Of course, you're going to have to buy the this separate. But that would actually enhance the kit quite a bit. So, once I actually go and break down the box, and we'll open this. So I could have room. Da, 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 da. And Jerry thanks me for buying this. Such a nice guy. Oh, I should pull out the opaque D. That's the opaque one. Alright. Alright. This is basically, this is the same kit, just with the minor this has the hole for the stand. This one doesn't. You gotta go and open up for the stand on the inside. But other than that, the details are exactly the same. Here's your stand and rod. You got the clear parts here. Deflector dish, or main part. Then you got the dish, warp nacelles, or the warp grills, Bassard collectors, impulse engines, you got your warp nacelle parts, you got your parts for the captain's yacht. Bridge section, shuttle bay doors. Yeah, you also got the other shuttle bay doors. And then you got your main hull, or your primary hull. And it's all in translucent plastic, just like their Enterprise C. So all you do, once you paint, or, well, first put your light blocking on, and your main, I would go with black over that first. Oh yeah, after the, then your main color. Then you can scrape out each window. But for this, if you get really good, you know, you do the inside first, or outside first, then scrape out the windows, then you can turn this over, see where the light's shining through, and mask the inside for the windows, then spray your light blocking and then your reflective coat on top of that. But I think first things first, before you do that, all these ejector pin marks need to get eliminated. But since I have this out, it'll be easier to show since it's you know, literally same parts, no different whatsoever. But you got your ejector pin marks here. Those have to be removed. You could sand a little bit in there. And then you get the ejector pin marks out of here. But I'm going to build this kit as is, without the you know, inlet. Yeah, just to get it out of the way. But also use it to test, you know, how to build it. The translucent one I'll try to light. Especially with the goodies I have. Galaxy class shuttle bay, which will mount up into here. Actually takes up quite a bit of real estate. Oh, that is exactly how long that shuttle bay is. And you can get this through Federation Models. Like about $30. But I'm going to use this particular decal sheet with the translucent kit because I want to use the other one, or this one, on that kit. Because I want to do that one is the Syracuse. It's basically all the same markings. Except for, you know, the Syracuse markings. But I do have this Aztec sheet, which will also go with, I'll use with that one. I want to do the one for this one, the round 2 one. I'll just go stick all of that back in. But I want to get so I can get that out. All right. Here are the instructions. But yeah, you got your main, your first page there. I think that's all your, that's your decal marking section. But honestly, this will also help me build that one too, because I kind of didn't have all the instructions for that. Oh God. What they got for peeing? Each. Well, they tell you khaki for the freezer strips. Actually, that was pretty good. Alright. interesting. Alright guys, hope that was fun. If you like this, oh by the way, the all-scale track builds and previews channel has a pretty good rundown of the parts on this translucent kit since he was building it. So you can check his channel for everything. He even goes through the process for getting the Aztec decals on. His channel is pretty informative, so check his out. I'll see what I can do with this one. It'll be a bit before I go and do any painting on it, because, well, I gotta wait for it to warm up. It is winter or spring out there. And I want the garage to at least be in the 50s in order to paint. Well, paint don't cure well when it's cold, and my hands get cold when I'm using the airbrush in the cold. And both suck. So if you like this content, hit the like and subscribe button, and well, don't be afraid to leave a comment. Till next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks guys, bye.